Let's look at strategies for creating sweat equity. Now, I left a note here, and that note is about for me to emphasize the fact to you that this course has everything that you need to become a no money down deal maker. From finding deals to financial feasibility and project report presentation, this course covers everything. I have put this course together after over 2 years of working and collecting material and making sure that I've got everything covered. So the strategies that I'm going to tell you now, they are the strategies that you will use to put no money down deals together. So here we go. Now, there are two ways you can make money. You can add value or you can generate fees. How can you generate fees? You can do project procurement fee or spotter's fee. You could do financial feasibility fee if once you've got the financial software from me, and you understand how the numbers work. You can always do financial feasibility for other people and charge $1,100, $1,200, $1,500 for them. Development management fee. You understand the total development process. Once you've done a project on your own, you can do a project and charge a development management fee for that. Marketing or leasing fee, property management fee. So these are the different kind of fees that you can generate without putting any money down. So let's look at the procurement fee or the spotter's fee. Go through the section how to find your next deal and due diligence. Learn how you can stack a deal. Stacking means making sure that the project is financially viable. You would need the financial feasibility, the PDS financial feasibility version 1.0. Use that. You'll be able to crunch the numbers and understand how it works. You'll be able to create a project report, and if your project is viable, developers, builders, and investors will pay you for the spotter's fee. What can you charge? It's usually negotiable, but anywhere between $15,000 to $15,000, depending on the size of the deal, is easily chargeable. I would pay $5,000 to a person who gets me a deal that has 20% development margin. They find the deal, they stack the deal. It's got to meet some of the criteria that I look for in a deal. And if you are looking for that and you've done that, give me a call. And if the deal stacks up, I'll put together a deal with you. I'll buy it off you and I'll give you the spotter's fee. Modification, partner with the buyer's agent and strike a deal with them. A lot of buyer's agents do not know how to do financial feasibility, especially for development. Get in touch with the buyer's agent and see if you can work with him on deals like this. If not, go get your REIV, I'm in Victoria, that's what I'm saying, which is the Real Estate Institute of Victoria. Go get your agent's rep certificate and work with them. Doesn't cost you a lot of money. It costs you 1 week of training to be able to get your agent's rep. And if you can put something like that together, you can do a deal with the buyer's agent so that you can stack numbers and work with them and generate fees for yourself. Financial feasibility fee. If you're good with numbers and you understand the financial feasibility software that you've got, you can put together. You can crunch numbers till the cows come home. You can you can do feasibilities on projects that other people don't even know where to begin. You can charge a development management fee, different to project management fee. Project management fees, you must have experience or a degree or some kind of understanding in construction. I'm not a project manager, I'm a development manager, and I do not claim to be a builder because I do have a construction company, don't get me wrong, and I'm a shareholder in the construction company. I run the function, but I run the marketing, the finance, the contract administration side of it, but I do not do building myself. I'm not a builder, I'm not an expert at construction. So for that portion, I've got a builder. That's why I have a partnership with a builder and a project manager who work on the construction side of things, and I work on the development and putting the deals together and doing the marketing and putting all the people together side of things. Scope of works, usually it would be site identification, due diligence, concept development, business case development, which will include your financial feasibility, risk identification and management, financial structuring, procurement strategy, legal documentation, engage and liaise with consultants, obtain planning and building permits, tendering and selecting building contractor. You'll manage all the drawing documentation and reports, marketing and sales, and so on. And what can you charge? You can charge a fixed fee, for example, $10,000 per townhouse, or you could charge a percentage between 1 to 7% depending upon the size of the project. And you can drawn down against milestones achieved or monthly when construction starts, with or without a bonus success fee, because my development agreement, I had a bonus success fee in that too. So make sure you do that, so that gives you more motivation to work for it. But first you got to understand the process completely. Marketing or leasing fee. Developers and builders are allowed to sell their developments directly. If you have marketing skills and you can take on this work, you can charge a fee for it. Understand that as a developer and as a builder, you can sell your own properties. You can go to realestate.com.au. They'll give you a developers or a builders package, and you pay something monthly and you can sell your own project. Now, if you are really good at it and if you have the skills and you are doing that for your project, you can charge a fee for that, because what's the opportunity cost of them, or what's the alternate to them not hiring you and hiring an agent? They'll probably end up paying more fees there. So if you can provide this service, you can charge for this service. Property management fee, but for that, once again, you've got to have a agent's rep and have a certification so that you can be a property manager. So once developed, you can take on the role of a property manager and charge a fee for that.